Illustration Bio YouTube channel. This video is only for education purpose biography video for Grose. Before we continue, do not forget like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Is a 26-year-old American digital creator and racing star in social media world, born on April 28, 1999. She made a name for herself on platforms like Instagram, X and OnlyFans, blending glamorous with playful charm and eye-catching visuals. Independent personality, focusing on her online brand Select Bella. She started her career around 2021 through Instagram modeling and her race acceptable after launching her OnlyFans account. Instagram profiles. She is showcasing everything for bikini photos to fun behind the scenes reels. She recently over 52 million views on an Instagram reel. Visit to Spain, Mexico and Dubai, often sharing stunning beach reels with bikini dress. She also in a cosplay, bikini modeling, fitness and travel influencer. Is London, England is a presently about fitness, travel and animal rights. She also advocates for women empowerment, often share posts supporting animal welfare cause. Thank you so much for watching my video and subscribe my YouTube channel.